They tell you these are tombs, monuments to dead kings. They are wrong. These are cages, and what's inside isn't dead. It's sleeping, and it's been robbed. Before humans walked, the earth dreamed. And its dreams had weight and voice and form. These were the Telurim. Not monsters, not gods. The planet's own immune system and circulatory network made conscious. Where the planet's energy concentrated, a Telurim would coalesce, a being of stone, root, and magnetic will. They were the land awake. Then came the surgeons, a faction that had learned to speak with the earth, call them the Anuna. They came as partners. They became stewards. But a splinter called the Anunnaki saw not a partner, but a power source. They became the first thieves, surgeons of silence. They developed the art of resonant binding, not to kill, to lobotomize and imprison. They severed the Telurim from the living network and anchored them in place. The first theft, turning a living, conscious piece of the earth into a battery. Your earliest miraculous civilizations, powered by theft. The impossible stonework, a side effect of siphoning telluric potency. The legends of gods demanding sacrifice, the lie covering the crime. The giants didn't build your world. Their bound, slumbering bodies were plugged into the walls of it. The war never ended. It just changed uniforms. Today, it's a silent war over real estate. The cages are now called heritage sites, national parks, digs. One side works to keep the siphons running. Another seeks to liberate the prisoners, to wake them, or to give them a merciful end. Another just wants to weaponize the old power for new horrors. This isn't archaeology, it's ghoulish energy futures trading. So when you feel awe at the old stones, listen deeper. That's not wonder. It's the land, remembering its own bones. It's the hum of a prison wall. The question is no longer did giants exist. The question is, do you stand with the jailers, the grave robbers, the liberators, or the earth itself? The first crime is still in progress. The first war is still being fought. Choose your side.